na bikana gosengana na injengeri ngenga aje nyomba unabona mukaye guchi chief officer ibere omushahara bwo mu chief officer no bwo MCA tokorengani umu MCA akora kibesa kinge umu chief officer akora kibesa kinyinke mono ikiane ro gosainia masakaronzi amangana y'ikibesa omwana ogorokwelina koruriana agaria abutire bumariba ya omo murondo korokwa munyanja nera mwigwetine yaratenenire nchebi na bibiri moko nyorango kana agari bari kurunyari bari tuwe ba deputy governor abutwa moizo nda abajete gocha nende they wanted to impeach the CC administration kuruboge tutu togatene naba MCA 44 togakana mangana ayu na nyasaya aganja tukaibwana togatene umuswado uyu umu wasiro ingondera gasi useine regasi aba MCA abantu baminto nteto kosaba abana inchi baitu bakisi county tusimame imara. Mmoja amesema safari bado. Kwa ukweli safari bado kwa sababu wananchi hawajafurahia. Katika Kisii County we have been given a total of almost 20 billion from the national government in the last 2 financial years. Ayeke rogo tarango rore bintu bya 20 billion maigase chiwodi chito gake abantu baminto. Ngora murekenda abantu baminto. And somebody want to intimidate the honorable members of county assembly using the China policies to intimidate the members, to lie to people of Kisii County that their money is used correctly, while we know very well there is nothing that is going on in our wards. Sechinya gitari cheito ngora mura mariogo abantu baminto ekeroko na nyagitari yeri yabe ngo nyorora mariogo roro sune kaigo bochabu mbo ichiriga iga. We have the most incompetent, corrupt, mad governor in the entire Kisii, in the entire country guys. And mimi kama kiongozi ambaye hako ndani ya serikali kuu, we must condemn the thing as it is. It is a bad thing, it is bad luck, it is unfortunate, it is a curse. Na anani gotoko sawana yenya saa otoigwa mondo yagenda 2027 kuanja morebo hivyo. So watu wa Kisii tutaungana tuweze kusaidia watu wetu wa Kisii County. Ngoweka toro mondo itoga igamutuga iga.